So I'm all painted up and everything's done for now anyway. So one of the things that's kind of strange is I did have the plan to have the fender textured. So the fork is just painted, but what I did with the fender is I painted it with truck bed coating, which kind of gives a bit of a textured finish. Stuff is super hard, but not on the fender. And looking at it from any distance, and not only from the video, but getting really close to it, you really can't tell. So that part of it didn't work. Uh, the finish isn't perfect by any stretch of the imagination, and I've got a satin clear on it. So, uh, it's just overall, I don't think that the metal's in good enough shape to have it looking good with a shiny finish. But either way, uh, I'm calling this done for now. I have something in the back of my mind where I'd like to get uh, that front wheel out another 8 inches or so by extending the two pipes that go up to the headset. But maybe not. Also, there's a thought about taking that saddle and moving it back and down somewhat to get a little bit more of a chopper look to it. But the bike is kind of fun to ride as it is. So maybe it happens, maybe it doesn't. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.